In this video, we will talk about how to find IP address. Make sure to watch the complete video before you follow any step. Method 1. Command prompt. Click in search, type CMD, select Run as administrator. Click on Yes. In the command prompt, type ipconfig and press Enter. Here you need to look for IPv4 address. This is your local IP address assigned to your device. You can check out more videos related to local IP address in description. Method 2. Settings. Click on Windows icon. Take your cursor on gear icon to open settings. Click on Network and Internet. Select Properties. Scroll it down. Here is your IPv4 address. Method 3. Control panel. Click in search, type Control, and select Open. Click on Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Click on your active network. It could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now click Details. Find the line of IPv4 address, and that's your IP. So that's how you can find your IP address. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.